So hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Rubil Patel, and today I wanted to show one of my project, TaskFlow. A TaskFlow is basically a platform where users can manage their task. So users are able to manage their task with this product. So that is why I built this product. So instead of going too deep in theory, let's move to the visualization part. So we are able to understand the product more than like going through the theory and all. So firstly, this is the home page. User will not see this until he login or until they login. So let me show you the login page. So this is the login page. And if we do not have any account, then we have to sign up ourselves. So we'll create the account by name, email ID, and password. And once the user click on sign up button, then the account will be created, and then move to the login page and have to log in with their email ID and password. So let me log in with my email ID and password, dhruvilpatel.m@gmail.com, and let me enter the password. Yeah, if something happen and I forward this password, then I do have option of changing password inside the application. So let me show you that as well. So let's log in. Yeah, I logged myself in, and yeah, this is the home page of my application, a task flow. So let's move to the part of like home page of this application. Let me explain each and every part of this application. So this is basically a home page, and this is the new bar with the task flow application name and icon, and we do have setting here. So we are able to update the setting, like if we want to change the name or email ID, we are able to directly save the changes here. And security changes, like we have, if we want to change the password, then we have to enter the current password, then have to enter new passwords, and then we are able to change the password. And if we want to log out ourselves, we are able to log out ourselves as well. So yeah, this is what it is. Now this is the part where we do have like this is the part where it is basically a user profile. This is the profile setting, which is same, which works same as this, and we're able to go to the account settings, same page, and here we are able to log out ourselves as well. So this is what the new bar is. Now let's move to the sidebar of this home page. So here we have Hey Drupal. So Drupal is basically a name. When I was sign up my account, then I give the name, and it takes that name as and put it here. So this is what it is. And the productivity, like the productivity progress bar. So right now it is 0%. Once we complete the task, we are able to get that here. So we are able to increase our productivity by completing our task. And then we have three options: a dashboard, a pending task, and a completed task. These are the tasks, like these are the three sections in which we are able to manage a task. And then a pro tip, it is basically redirecting us to the same website of my. So yeah, that is what it is. Now let's move to the main section, in which we have task overview, and we are able to manage a task efficiently. So we are able to manage the task efficiently, and yeah, here we have add new task button. By clicking this button, we are able to add the new task. So we'll do it, but firstly we'll go through each and every section of this page, then we'll create a new task. So then we have a total task. So right now I do have only one task, one total task. So I'm getting this as a one, and this is dynamic, by the way. This value is dynamic. So if we add tasks, then we are able to dynamically change, like the application will be change this numbers accordingly. So that is there. Then the task with a low priority, task with a medium priority, and task with high priority. So we are able to set the priority of task from low, medium, and high. So yeah, we are able to set the priority as well. So it will make us more task focus. Like if the priority of task is high, then we'll complete the task firstly, and then move to the medium priority, and then move to the low priority. So that is why I added the priority section. Then all task section. In this we have buttons, like we are able to toggle between all of them, so all are working. So if we press like if we open the all tasks, then we are able to see the all tasks available. If we use today, like basically if we go to the today task, then we are able to get the task which are for today. So we are able to get that today's class task, sorry, today's task here. Then for week, so for this week we are able to get the all tasks for this week. This task is for 20th Jan, so we are getting it as well. Right now it is 19th Jan, so yeah, that is why we are not able to see it in the today. We'll see this task in the today tomorrow. So that is there. Then the priority section: high priority, medium priority, and low priority. So I do have one task with high priority, so I'm able to get that directly from here. If we do have any medium priority, then we are able to get it from here. If low priority, we are able to get it as well. Yeah, and if we want to directly add the new task, we are able to add the new task here from here as well directly. So yeah, that is what it is. Now let's this are a section. This is the section where we will see all the tasks, and we are able to we are able to see the task with the title and description, and the priority by, like, yeah, is it high, is it a medium, or is it low. So we'll see the priority as well. And then we do have a date, and when it is created on 19th Jan. So yeah, we're able to see that as well. The task is for 20th Jan but created on 19th Jan. Okay, so this is that. Now we have a button here where we can edit the task or delete the task. So if we want to edit the task, we are able to edit the task, and we are able to edit all the field. And if we want to delete it, we are able to delete this task as well. So yeah, this is what it is. Now to add the task, we are able to directly add from here. And if we want to add here, like if we want to add task from here, we are also able to do that. So we do have two options basically. Basically three options. Like if we toggle here, and we are able to add the task from here as well. So yeah, this is how we'll add the task. And in the left bar, where we have a task statics. So basically what are the tasks we have. So we have total task. So we have one total task. So we are getting one as a total task. Is it completed? No, it is not completed. Like the states, sorry. So let me see here. Status, it is in progress. It is not completed. So we'll have zero. We have zero completed and one pending task. So we are able to see that. And 0% completion rate, as like we do not have any completed task, so we have 0% completion rate. So yeah, this all values are dynamic, so it will be changed based on the task. So yeah, that is there. And task progress, sorry. So we have one task, total one task, and out of one we have zero tasks completed. So that is why it is 0 by 1. And because there is no task completed, the 0% completion rate, so we have progress bar as a 0. We do not have anything here. So that is there. And we will see recent activities in this section. So yeah, this is what the basic homepage of this application look like. Now we are able to let's create the task. So now we are able to create the task with a task title. So let me tell this as a testing title, and let me add the description as this is just for testing. This is for testing. This is for testing, right? So we are able to set the priority as well. So if we set the low priority, it will be green. If we medium, orange, and high, then it will be purple, around purple. So yeah, this is what it is. Let's create the priority with low, and we are able to set the date as well. So right now let me set the date with the calendar 19th Jan 2026, and I want to make this as a completed, so that we are able to see the progress bar moving. So let me create it, and yeah, I successfully created the task. As it is today, we are able to see the task in the today, and also because the task is completed, we are able to see the green border and a green here icon here, and the priority is low, and we already completed. So yeah, the task is marked as a completed. So that is why getting this type of UI for completed task. So this is the UI for the completed task. So that is there, and the productivity is increased by 50%, because we do have two total tasks and one of them is completed. So 50% is my productivity ratio. So that is why it is 50%, and here the total task, a low priority task, a medium priority task, and high priority task will are able to increase by one, like the total task and low priority task increased by one, as it we add one new task, so it increased, and that same amount is changed here as well. So that is there, and 50% a completion ratio. So because we have one task completed, so we have 50% completion ratio, and the progress bar also show that 1 out of 2 is completed. So that is there. So now, yeah, this is what the task flow basically about. So yeah, thank you.